Hi everyone, and today is Thursday, which is a different day for me to be doing my live video, but yesterday I was in London having a nice day off with the kids because it's school holidays, which is great. So anyway, today's video is New Year, New Start, because today is the start of the new financial year, which for people in business can be a really good time to have a look at what you're going to do differently this year. So what's happened today? So the big thing is that all the changes that were mentioned in the budget, various things involving buy-to-let tax and personal allowances, ISA increases, new ISA years, a whole loads of things happen from today, because today is the new financial year in terms of business. So what you can do from today you can now open a lifetime ISA, which is about saving into pensions for retirement, or you can use it to buy a house. If you're a first-time buyer, you can use it to save for your deposit. You get a government bonus. The good thing is that means you get some free money. The bad news is, in terms of retirement, you can only take it out from age 60, and in terms of buying a house, it's only any good if you are a first-time buyer. If you already own a home, then you can't have one. You also can't have one if you're over 40, so unfortunately that is a whole group of us that won't be able to do that, but there are other tax-free or tax-efficient ways to save up for a deposit, and if you want help with any of that, come and have a chat to me and we can talk about what you can do. So April is the most popular year-end date for small business owners. Most people like to have a date that is easy for paperwork wise, and because that's when people fill out tax returns and that type of thing, a lot of people pick April. So what this means is, for a lot of people, they're going to be going through their figures from what they've earned over the last 12 months, starting to pull it all together, give it to their accountant or their bookkeeper so that they can get their accounts finalised and work out how much tax they're going to need to pay in January. Because yes, you can fill out your tax return from today for the year that ended yesterday, and you still do not pay your tax until January. There is no need to leave it last minute till December, January. You don't pay your tax any earlier because you fill the forms out now. It just means that you know how much money you need to save for your tax, which in most people's cases is quite useful, rather than having a massive bill in January and having no idea how much you've got to pay. So start to pull together your figures for your paperwork for your business, and have a look to see how much you earned last year. Did you earn or your business make the amount of money you were expecting? Did it make more? Did it make less? In terms of tax, are you going to be paying the tax that you thought you were paying? And have you got any facility to pay that? Have you thought about putting money away each time you get paid so that you have got money for your tax bill? When you're employed, your tax comes out of your income as your employer pays it to you, so it's gone and it's done and you don't worry about it. When you're self-employed, obviously you get given your money and you get it gross, so without any deductions, and then at the end of the year you're going to have to pay your own tax and your own national insurance. A lot of people find it useful to move some money regularly into a separate account. Premium bonds is a typical place that people put it, just because it's out of the way, but they can get it easily. It's not tied up in any way, but a savings account would work just as well to keep some money aside. The other thing that goes with that is people often look at this time of year in terms of business planning moving forward. What do you want to achieve for this year? Maybe you've decided that this year your business is going to grow and you want to take on a member of staff. So you might want to think about who you're going to recruit, where you're going to find them, what sort of terms and conditions you need to offer them. And make sure that you get proper contracts written up from a solicitor, an employment lawyer, or somebody who can do that properly for you to make sure that you're properly protected. You might also want to think at employee benefits packages. So that's things for your employees, which in some cases, if you are a limited company director, you could be an employee as well of your business. And what that means is that some of the benefits that bigger companies offer to their staff, things like death in service, discounts on various bits and pieces, private healthcare, pension payments, all that type of thing, that if you work for a big company like Sainsbury's or the NHS or Tesco's or whoever, you would get paid for by your employer. If you are a limited company director and you are employed by your business, then your business can provide some of those things for you, and in most cases they are tax deductible. So come and have a chat with us about things you might want to do. If you've realised that you need to start paying into a pension, it's a new financial year, new start, and you want to talk about how you can do that to get some free money from the government, again, we can help you with this. There's so many things you can do, and this is a really good time of year to start thinking about it, because it is the new year, and so because of that it is a new start. So I will leave you with the happy and shiny sunshine that is out there at the moment. This is spring, so hopefully it will carry on for the next couple of weeks. If you want to get hold of me, I'm in and out of the office over the next couple of weeks because it is school holidays, and one of the reasons that I became self-employed was I wanted to spend time with my family, certainly when they're not at school. So I won't be here every day, but most of you have got contact for me for mobile numbers. If not, you can Facebook message me and I will get back to you. So have a lovely Easter holidays, and I will catch up with you all soon. Bye then.